Hi guys, welcome to Saudi foodie vlog. Now we are making yummy recipe with eggplant. Eggplant cut into pieces. Salt half tablespoon. Red chili powder 2 tablespoon. Turmeric half tablespoon. Tapioca powder half cup, or you can use corn flour. Mix everything. I am using air fryer. You can fry on oil. Air fry for 15 minutes on 200 degrees. In a pan, oil 2 tablespoon. Soya sauce half tablespoon. Ketchup 1 tablespoon. Hot sauce 1 tablespoon. Pomegranate sauce optional half tablespoon. Mix everything. Now add fried eggplant. Mix everything. Saute on medium heat for 5 minutes. Now it's ready to serve. Enjoy with rice or anything. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.